How to fix error 800486163 when a federated user tries to sign into Microsoft 365. 1. Verify federation configuration. 2. Disable local security authority, LSA, credential caching. To do so, set 0 to LSA lookup cache max size dword at HKey _local _machine /system /current control set /control /LSA in registry editor. Restart your device. 3. Update the relying party. Trust with Azure AD. To do so, run the following commands in PowerShell as admin. $cred equals get credential connect missile service credential $cred set misolips context computer, ADFS 2.0 server name update missile federated main domain name, federated domain name update missile federated main domain name, federated domain name support multiply domain 4. Disable VPN/proxy.